Hi everybody, Quail with the Cooper Center for Environmental Learning, and today I am here to talk to you about one of the many different species of animals we can find here in the Sonoran Desert. Specifically, I want to talk to you all today about the black bear, the North American black bear. One of the smallest, as well as most commonly distributed bear species you can find here in North America. For Arizona, they're actually one of the only bear species you can find here, especially in the Sonoran Desert. A black bear's fur color is commonly thought to be black, but in reality, black bear fur color can range all the way from white to black, so that includes shades of blonde, brown, gray, things such as that. So they actually have a very diverse fur color associated with them. Black bears are also what we call crepuscular, and crepuscular animals are animals that are most often active during the hours of dawn and dusk. Another interesting thing about our friend the black bear is they are what we call omnivorous animals, and their diets vary based off the seasonal times of the year, but they're most often seen eating roots, nuts, berries, and here in the Sonoran Desert, cactus pads. They're also known to subsist on things such as insect and small animals. Now, one cool thing about black bears that tells us they are omnivorous is actually their teeth. As you can see with this top half of the black bear skull I have here, it has these two large fang-like teeth on the front. We call those canines. Now, canines are what are often used for tearing the flesh off of a dead animal when they're eating. But as you can see, they also have these flat teeth in the back, these molars. And these are actually most often used for grinding up plant matter. If we take a look at our humans, we have these two sharp teeth in the front, and the rest of them are flat. So that tells us we're also an omnivorous animal. We eat both plants and animals. Another cool thing, focusing here on the black bear skull, is they're what we call a predator animal, which means they often hunt other animals. They hunt prey. And one cool way you can distinguish between a predator and a prey is actually the location of their eyes. So, on our black bear skull here, these sockets right here, this is where the black bear skull eye would be located. They're front-facing eyes, which means their eyes are best used for chasing down prey. On average, black bears can live up to 25 years in the wild and are more commonly found in higher elevation areas. We like to call those sky islands. And sky islands are actually isolated mountaintops that are surrounded by unique lowland features. In the case of Arizona, or specifically Tucson, those lowland features are going to be grasslands and desert. But we actually have a sky island here in Tucson right now. If you look over at Mount Lemmon, that's one of the sky islands you can find here in Tucson. The cool thing about sky islands is they're one of the reasons why the American Southwest is considered incredibly biodiverse.